In this quick video, I'm going to show you 5 key steps to grow zucchini vertically to save space and your garden and have higher yields. This is Tim from Organic Backyard Gardening. Zucchini is a fairly easy plant to grow, however it can take up a lot of precious garden space. And in my square foot garden, I'm always looking to maximize output per square foot. And over the years, I've been growing zucchini vertically in less than 1 square foot of space. Zucchini plants don't naturally climb vertically. They don't have tendrils like cucumbers. However, with this process, you'll be manually supporting the plant up a stake, and I'll show you just how to do that. First, take a 6-foot garden stake, metal pole, or branch, and place it in the garden where you're going to plant. Sow seeds or transplant about 3 inches away from the stake on the south side of the stake. Once the seedlings come up, add mulch. I like to use wood mulch or dead leaves. Step 3. As the plant starts to grow, start to tie the base of the plant up the wooden stake. I use a simple garden jute that's biodegradable. Add more string every few inches. The leaves will naturally reach up top to the sun. If you see them starting to fold down, that means you probably need to continue adding string to support it up the stake. Step 4. Cut the leaves below the zucchini. This will allow the plant to focus on making larger zucchini rather than making and supporting leaves. The last step is to remember to harvest frequently. With these simple steps, you'll be on your way to growing much more zucchini in a smaller amount of space. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, click the like button, and post any comments below. By subscribing, you'll be notified of new videos, and we're going to be announcing very shortly a new website that will have many free gardening resources for you to grow more food for your family.